Hey everyone! Let's celebrate by learning how to keep our awesome young minds safe online. The internet is an amazing place for kids to learn, explore, and connect. But just like the real world, it has its risks. Today, let's talk about ways to keep our little ones safe online. From mean comments to hidden dangers, kids can stumble upon things that hurt or scare them online. Use parental controls to filter content, manage screen time, and block harmful sites. But remember, the best protection is open communication. Talk to your kids about online safety regularly. Encourage them to share their experiences, both good and bad. Let them know they can always come to you with questions or concerns.
Teach your kids to be responsible digital citizens. This includes critical thinking, online etiquette, password safety, and being wary of strangers online. Don't hesitate to seek help if needed. Many resources are available to guide you and your kids towards a safe online experience.